You tell yourself, this time will be different. This person is different. But weeks or months later, you're left with the same pain, the same disappointment, and the same question: why do I keep attracting people who hurt me? It feels like a pattern, almost like you're drawn to toxic partners without even realizing it. And no matter how much you promise yourself that you'll choose better next time, you find yourself in the same emotional storm again and again. If that feels familiar, you're not broken, and you're not cursed. There's a psychological reason behind it. Today, we're uncovering why we're drawn to toxic partners and, more importantly, how to finally break the cycle so you can create relationships that feel safe, healthy, and fulfilling. Attracting toxic partners often begins with what feels familiar. Our subconscious minds are wired to seek out patterns, even if they hurt us. If you grew up around chaos, emotional neglect, or inconsistent love, your brain might link love with pain or unpredictability. So when you meet someone who creates emotional highs and lows, your mind recognizes it as normal, even though it's harmful. Toxic partners often trigger unresolved wounds. If deep inside you believe you are not enough or that you need to earn someone's love, toxic relationships feed that belief. These partners often start with charm and intensity but eventually show patterns of control, manipulation, or neglect, keeping you in a cycle of trying to prove your worth. Another reason is boundaries, or the lack of them. People who struggle with saying no, or fear losing someone if they set limits, often become magnets for toxic personalities. Toxic partners thrive on blurred boundaries because it gives them space to control and manipulate. Then there's self-worth. When you don't fully believe you deserve healthy, balanced love, you settle for whatever attention you can get, even if it's harmful. It's not about being weak, it's about believing deep down that real, safe love might not be for you. So, how do you stop attracting toxic partners? 1. Recognize your patterns. Start by looking at your past relationships. Are there common traits, like control, manipulation, lack of respect, that keep showing up? Awareness is the first step to breaking any cycle. 2. Build healthy boundaries. Boundaries are your protection, not a punishment for others. Learn to say no when something feels wrong and speak up when your needs aren't being met. People who respect you will honor your boundaries, those who don't are showing you exactly who they are. 3. Heal your self-worth. When you believe you deserve safe, stable, and respectful love, your choices naturally shift. This might mean working on your self-esteem, surrounding yourself with supportive people, or even seeking therapy to untangle old wounds. 4. Slow down the beginning. Toxic partners often move fast, professing love quickly, demanding constant attention, or rushing commitment. Take your time getting to know someone. Observe their actions over time instead of being swept away by charm or intensity. 5. Redefine what love feels like. If chaos has always felt like love, healthy relationships might feel boring at first because they're calm and safe. Teach yourself that safety, respect, and consistency are not boring, they're what love is supposed to feel like. Breaking the cycle isn't easy because it means unlearning habits your brain has practiced for years. But it's possible. Every time you choose yourself, set a boundary, or walk away from toxic behavior, you're rewiring your mind to choose differently. Attracting toxic partners doesn't mean there's something wrong with you, it means you're human, and your mind is trying to repeat what it knows. But now, you know how to stop. When you heal, when you build self-worth and embrace healthy love, something beautiful happens. Toxic people stop feeling attractive, and you start attracting those who truly value you.